Good morning to all. I hope all are doing well at home and enjoyed your summer vacation after a holiday breaks. Now we will start our study. Okay? So, dear student, you know very well before starting our holidays, we have completed our chapter number first and chapter number 2 with question answers. Okay? So now in this video I will provide you chapter number 3 explanation. Clear? So, without wasting our time, we will start our explanation. Okay? So, now, chapter number 3 Reigning in Range Anger Management. First thing here is anger. What is the meaning of anger? In simple word, we can say anger is a powerful human emotion. Different people employ different means and way to release their pent up rage, loud voice, impolitely and offensive gestures, rude words, physical assault, etc. Anger and its expression has a deleterious effect on one's mind and body. So, now we start our chapter. Okay, see, in this chapter, here is a one story, and the story lead character is Rajiv. Rajiv is a cricketer. Okay. Now, it was the first match of the inter-school cricket tournament, and Rajiv was hot in the cheeks already. The continuous leading by the opponent wicketkeeper and close in fielders was getting to him. Come on, Sashi. Shows us your willow. Remarked the second slip castly. Scredini taunted the wicket-keeper. The next ball bounced up sharply from the good length spot and struck him painfully on the ribs, and Rajiv was ragging. Go home to Mama, little boy, laughed the short line. That was all Rajiv could take. But raised, he charged at the boy. The umpire intervened, and Rajiv was clean bowled the very next ball. He had lost his concentration on account of his anger and paid off price for it. That is actually what they wanted you to do, said his coach. But you played right onto their tactics to unstill you. Rajiv was disappointed and very angry with those boys and with himself. What am I do to, sir? He wailed. I can't stand this tone. It's so unfair. It is happen in very sport, Razi. The coach said gently, you must learn to concentrate on your game and take this thing in your stride. He reasoned. Okay. So in this story, one lead boy is Rajiv. And Rajiv is a very good cricketer, but he was an anger, angry boy. And his anger always disappointed to Rajiv. Rajiv always anger to another person and himself. So I think to control our anger, we follow some tricks. First trick is think before you speak. What is the meaning of think before you speak? In the heat of the moment, it's easy to say something you will later regret. Take a few moments to collect your thought before saying anything. This is a very good trick for control our anger. And the second thing is get some exercise. Get some exercise means physical activity can help reduce stress that can cause you to become angry. If you feel your anger, go for a break, walk or run, or spend some time doing other enjoyable physical activities. This is the best trick for control over anger. Okay, so student, rest of the part of this chapter we will discuss about in our next video. Okay, thank you.